In this video, we will take you to the SM City North EDSA in Quezon City. Coming up next. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new content. If you want to watch our videos about mall walking tours, please click on the link above. Here we go. The SM City North EDSA is the first super mall developed by the SM Prime Holdings. It opened its doors back on November 8, 1985. Back in the day, a mall this big was unheard of. The idea was so huge, it included the word city in its name because of the amount of shops it can accommodate. The SM City North EDSA has a gross leasable area of 424,691 square meters. It was the first mall ever built by the SM Prime Holdings. Located at the corner of EDSA and North Avenue, it is easily accessible via public transportation like bus, jeepneys, UV Express, and the MRT. The SM City North EDSA has a number of buildings in its complex. We have the main building, the city center, the interior zone, or formerly the Carpark Plaza, the Annex, the block, the North Link and North Towers, and the Sky Garden. In this visit, we went to the four buildings, the city center, the Annex, the block, and the Sky Garden. city center is the main building of the mall and the first building to be constructed. It has a total of 4 floors. The SM Store, the SM Supermarket, the SM Food Court are the anchor tenants located in here. And the country's second IMAX theater is also located here as well. The Annex, or formerly the SM City Annex, consists of 6 floors. Here, the SM Cyber Zone is located. It also has an additional 4 movie cinemas and a bowling alley. Aside from electronics, it also houses fashion shops and restaurants. You can access the city center and the Sky Garden via the footbridge on the 2nd level. The block consists of 5 floors, with a huge oval atrium in the middle. In here is where events takes place. In the block, most of the high-end retail store operated by the SM Prime holdings like Uniqlo, H&M, Forever 21 are located. It also houses your favorite buffet restaurant, Vikings. Aside from that, it also includes 4 digital cinemas and an SM hypermart. And lastly, the Sky Garden. The Sky Garden is a long elevated park. It is a walkway that links the building with each other. It features an artificial river and waterfalls. But its main feature is the Sky Dome, a 1,500-seat events venue. Beneath the Sky Park is where the public transport terminal is located. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.